You can even look at players like Adrian Gonzalez and Carl Crawford, who were players they signed to enormous free agent deals who didn't work out, and they very quickly bit the bullet on those players, moved them on, even having situations where they were paying them to play for other teams, and went into a quick rebuild to reallocate their money in better ways to more productive players. Now, in recent years, any Red Sox fan will tell you there has definitely been a change in the operating procedures at the Red Sox.